Congratulations on downloading your new AdWords template. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to install the thing and get it running on your AdWords account. The first step you need to take is to download Google's AdWords editor. This is a piece of software directly from Google and is needed to import the template you got from SpyFu. If you don't already have it, maybe pause this video and download it now. There's a link for you underneath this video and also one right here. 2-second intermission. Now that you have the AdWords editor, you need to connect it to your AdWords account. In the AdWords editor, click on the Add button. The AdWords editor will guide you through the steps from there. Now that you've connected your AdWords account, you can close the account manager to get back to the main AdWords editor screen. From there, click on Account in the top left, and then select Import from File. Find the template you got from SpyFu and click on Open. At this point, you'll see your new campaign in the campaigns list on the left. If you already have a bunch in there, you can either search for this one or scroll down and find it manually. Now here's the thing. There's going to be a warning on some of these new templates. Don't freak out, that's supposed to happen, and the next step will take care of it. Simply go to the start date and put today's date in there. That's it. The warning should be gone. You can make a variety of changes right in the AdWords editor. And once you're satisfied, click on Post. After you confirm the post, this template will be loaded into your Google AdWords account, ready for you to view and edit. Even though you put in today as your start date, these templates will be paused by default. You'll need to manually unpause it in Google AdWords before the campaign begins to run. So let's head over to AdWords. The big thing you're going to want to edit are the URLs of the ads. Right now, they all link to yourwebsite.com. You can change this by going to the Ads tab and then clicking on the Edit icon. Then highlight the URL we have in there and change it to any domain or landing page that you would like this ad to point to. But for the most part, here's your new campaign. Top performing keywords, all organized into groups and corresponding ads. You can add, edit, or delete any of these things to your heart's content. For some of these ads, we've included placeholders for your business name or your location. To find and replace these, simply click on Ads, and then in the search field, search for the word business, and then replace it with the name of your business. Then search for location and replace that with the name of your town or zip code or however you want people to find you. In addition to this, you might want to add new ad groups specifically focused around your brand name or your product names. Those are standard groups that a lot of people use in their PPC campaigns, but are kind of hard to predict in a template. Finally, take a look at the daily budget and keyword bids. Feel free to adjust these bids to better fit your campaign's budget. And that's it. We hope these templates make it easier for you to set up and be successful in your PPC campaigns. Like and subscribe to videos from SpyFu. Like and subscribe. SpyFu is on YouTube.